Did you know that millions of Windows computers around the world are about to face a major security update that could leave some devices vulnerable if not handled properly? If you're using a Windows PC, this is something you need to know about right now. In late June 2026, something important is happening to your computer's security foundation. And if you don't take action, your device could end up in a weakened security state. Let me explain what's going on and what you need to do to stay protected. So what exactly is happening? Here's the situation. Every Windows computer has a security feature called Secure Boot. This feature has been protecting your PC since 2011, and it's one of the most important security layers your computer has. Secure Boot works before Windows even loads on your device. It runs the moment you power on your computer, and its job is to make sure only trusted, verified software can start up on your machine. Think of Secure Boot as a security guard at the front door of your computer. It checks every piece of software trying to run and blocks anything that looks suspicious or hasn't been properly verified. This protects you from dangerous threats that try to infect your computer right from the startup process. Now, Secure Boot relies on something called digital certificates. These certificates are stored in your computer's firmware, and they're what Secure Boot uses to verify that software is safe and trustworthy. The problem is this: those original certificates from 2011 are now reaching the end of their planned lifecycle. After more than 15 years of protecting computers, they're set to expire in late June 2026. That's just a few months away from now. Why do these certificates expire? Well, in the world of cybersecurity, certificates and security keys need to be refreshed regularly. Technology evolves, security threats get more sophisticated, and old credentials can become weak points if they're never updated. Replacing aging certificates with new ones is a standard practice in the tech industry, and it's necessary to keep your computer aligned with modern security standards. So what happens if your computer doesn't get the new certificates before the old ones expire? Here's the thing: your PC will still work. It won't shut down or stop functioning. Your files, programs, and everything you've installed will keep running normally. However, your computer will enter what's called a degraded security state. What does that mean? It means your device will lose its ability to receive future boot-level security protections. As new security vulnerabilities are discovered over time, your computer won't be able to install the fixes and protections it needs. Your device becomes increasingly exposed to threats that could attack it during the startup process. Over time, this could also create compatibility problems. Newer operating systems, firmware updates, hardware components, or software that relies on Secure Boot may fail to load or work properly on your computer. And here's an important point: if you're still using Windows 10 or an older version of Windows, and you're not enrolled in something called Extended Security Updates, you're not receiving Windows updates anymore anyway. Windows 10 support ended on October 14, 2025. That means these older systems won't receive the new certificates at all. Microsoft strongly recommends upgrading to Windows 11 or a supported version of Windows to get the best performance and protection. Okay, so that's the problem. Now let's talk about the solution and what you need to do. The good news is that for most people, this update will happen automatically. You won't need to do anything at all if you're an individual user or a business that allows Microsoft to manage your PC updates. The new Secure Boot certificates will be installed automatically through your regular monthly Windows updates. Microsoft has already started rolling out these certificates as part of the normal update process. For most modern devices, especially those built in 2024 or 2025, the new certificates are already included right from the factory. If you bought your computer recently, there's a good chance it already has the updated certificates and requires no action from you. However, there are a few cases where you might need to take some steps. First, some devices may require a firmware update from the manufacturer before they can apply the new Secure Boot certificates from Windows Update. To make sure you're covered, check your computer manufacturer's support website and ensure your device has the latest firmware updates installed. Second, if you're using specialized systems like certain servers or IoT devices, these may follow different update processes, and you should check with your IT department or device manufacturer for specific guidance. Third, if you're part of an organization or business with custom IT management, your IT administrators might be deploying these updates using their own tools and methods. In that case, follow your organization's IT policies. In the coming months, you'll also see messages in the Windows Security app that will help you track the status of the certificate update on your device. This will make it easy to see whether your computer has received the new certificates or if any action is needed. Microsoft has been working closely with major computer manufacturers like Dell, HP, and Lenovo to make this transition as smooth as possible. These companies have been preparing their devices and support teams to help customers through the process. They've also published their own guidance and documentation to assist their users. If you run into any issues during the update process, help is available. Here's what you should do. First, make sure your device is running the latest monthly Windows updates. Go to your Windows Update settings and check for updates. Second, verify that your computer has the latest firmware version installed by visiting your manufacturer's support page. If those steps don't resolve the issue, you can contact support. Individual users can reach out through Microsoft's online support channels or phone support. Business and enterprise customers can use Microsoft's existing IT support channels and documentation. For most people, the update will happen automatically with no action required. Just make sure you're keeping up with your regular Windows updates and firmware updates from your computer manufacturer. So, check your Windows Update settings, make sure your computer is up to date, and visit your manufacturer's support page if needed. Stay protected. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.